Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, A Dash of Beauty with Kia. Today I have a very exciting review on my channel, and that is the review of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Now this palette is all over Instagram, all over YouTube by beauty gurus, so I just wanted to bring you my thoughts on it, like just a regular schmegular girl from the six. I wanted to bring you guys my thoughts on the palette. I wanted to show you guys how they applied, my first impressions on the palette, and from a long time Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow lover. So I wanted to show you guys all of that because I know she had some fails, like the subculture, but you know. So if you guys want to see if this was a hit, just please continue watching. All right, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. All right, catch you in the next one. Bye. First, I'm taking my MAC paint pot in the shade Laying Low to prime my eyes. I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm going to set my paint pot, as well as just put a little extra powder underneath my eyes to catch whatever fallout there may be. So here's the star of the show, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm using natural lighting, so the lighting is like all over the place. On my fluffy crease brush, I am going to go into the shade Sienna. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So you see, there's some kickback. But, you know, it's like all her other palettes. It's not crazy. Like, I'm used to it. I actually like shadows that do that. Ooh! Yeah, I love this palette already. Oh my gosh, I was not anticipating it being that strong. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go with a light hand. I went lighter on this eye because, yeah. I'm going to take my trusty MAC 224 and blend that away. So these shadows are well, this shade is blendable. I can tell you that already. It's blending away very nicely. So next, I am going into this shade Mulberry. That's the whole reason I got this palette, for this shade. Now I know this shade is definitely deeper, so I'm just gonna focus that right there.
Me must need the pillow. I bring it. Sit up.
Switching to my blending brush. Taking a little bit more of this shade, I'm just going to use that on my 221 precision crease brush, just to really define that crease. You see how by using different brushes you get different intensities? So it's the same color, but this brush just applied it a little bit darker, so that's why I just switched brushes with the same color.
Mommy.
I
be heavy.
Tempura.
Me.
Oh man, that's white.
My legs.
Super white. It's okay though, we gonna blend it away. Gonna go into a little bit of burnt orange to take down that tempera shade. It's a little bit too light for me for an eyebrow highlight. Yeah, that looks really nice. Burnt orange took it down. Okay. A little bit of Cypress Umber, and that shade is from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I don't mind having two. I really do like this dark brown. Just going right in to that crease on top of the other shadow that we put, which was mulberry, to deepen it a little bit more. Going in with a little bit of sienna, just to bring back some of that red tone at the top of the crease. For my lid shade, okay, I have to do sultry. I was like, you know, let me do some gold, but I'm gonna go into sultry. Ooh, the shadow is so crumbly. It's like a pressed pigment, so you can't wipe it. Like look, I'm pressing it and it's literally like mushing. So that's the shade you have to really be careful with. The texture of that reminds me of, what is that, Huda Beauty palette, you know, those textured shadows. I think that's what they're going for. So, you know, just be careful with that. I'm using my flat brush and I'm going to apply that to my lid. Yeah, that's what they were going for because that's how it's applying. Oh my gosh, but look at all the fallout on my face. I don't know if you can see. I knew there would be, like, sometimes Anastasia palettes you have to do your eyes first just because they're so like powdery, but in a good way. At least these ones are in a good way. I'm going back in with the small brush. Nothing, I didn't pick up any extra product. I'm just going to use whatever's on the brush to deepen the ends and blend the crease. I want to touch into the shade Bronze just because Bronze looks like it's a similar consistency to the shade Sultry, so I just want to see how that feels on my brush. Okay, it's more solid than Sultry. Yeah, Sultry is the only really soft shade. I don't even know how to describe that shade. I think I'm gonna put this on the center. A bit of MAC Fix Plus just to get that yellow shade or that gold shade popping. Gonna tap on. Yeah. Brought it to life. I'm so excited.
Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
The shade Mulberry. Taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark, I'm going to dust away the Laura Mercier, all the fallout. And for highlight today, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit.
link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, so let's get into the breakdown of this palette. This is the packaging that the palette comes in, and this is the back of the palette. It's a very pretty yellow, kind of soft gold palette case. And then the actual palette is velvet, very nice, but it's dangerous for me because I know it's gonna get dirty in 2 minutes. It comes with 14 shadows, so 6 shimmer and metallic shades and 9 matte shades. I love that matte to shimmer ratio. I love my matte shades, and these mattes are actually very beautiful. It comes with a black, a really nice deep burgundy, cypress umber, which is a very cool dark brown, which is perfect if you're scared of blacks, a nice brown. Ooh, I didn't even use that one today. Oh, I should have used it. And of course sienna. I love these shades. Burnt orange and dusty rose, those are my favorite mattes. My 2 favorite metallics are sultry and bronze, of course. So these are the shadows. I'm not gonna swatch them because I'm sure you guys will see swatch videos all over, and also you'll see me applying these shadows and they're like true to color. Once you put it on, that's the color, and that's what I love. They don't turn ashy. They are dark skin girl friendly. Like this palette's amazing. I was so scared that this palette wasn't going to be woman of color friendly because I saw all those light shades on the picture, and I'm like, ugh, I don't know if my paint pot could even, like, you know, save that. But in person, like, I didn't even see this palette in the store. I just ordered online, and in person it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. As you guys can see, you know, I'm rocking it. This is like a fall kind of eyeshadow look, and I know that I could bring it to summer. But yeah, I love this palette. This palette retails for $55 Canadian. I know it's cheaper in American pricing, but that is not a crazy price for a palette, and especially a palette of this quality. I really hope that she doesn't raise her prices because I'm comfortable paying $55 for a good quality eyeshadow palette like that. It's not too big, it's not too small. You can pack it for travel, but I'm not taking this baby anywhere because I don't want to ruin the shades. There's one shade that I'm a little scared of, and that's sultry. It's my favorite shade, but it's so soft. It's kind of like the Huda Beauty textured eyeshadows. Really, really soft and delicate, except you could use this one with a brush. But I'm just scared that I'm gonna like dig it one day when I'm rushing, or I might drop it and it's gonna break. So I'm just a little nervous, but I do love the consistency of it when I put it on my eyelid. So I know, like, that's the most important thing, you know, just be careful with that palette. But it's very versatile. You can do many different looks. I'm gonna use this palette a couple more times while recording just to show you guys you know, the versatility that it has. But I give this palette 2 thumbs up. And if I'm missing anything, please comment and I'll answer the questions. But you know, there's so many reviews. I just wanted to really show you guys how it looked, what I thought of it, like my honest thoughts on it. I paid for this with my own money, you know. I'm gonna be honest as what, even if I got it for free, I'll be honest. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you guys are gonna grab this palette or not. This is my fourth Anastasia palette, and I don't plan to stop buying from her if she keeps up this great work. Like she did that. All right guys, I'm rambling now. Have a good one. Bye.
I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m.